Welcome to my tour. Today I'll be showing you around Chester Zoo and all its amazing animals. Hope you enjoy. First up is the red panda. There's not many left in the wild, but we here at Chester Zoo are very we've got more than one. I learned leadership this one today. He's very hungry. Let's feed him. On to the next animal. Here we have our lions. One male is on the rock, and then there's a female lying down. Hopefully we want some babies, but that's for us to check on later. Now let's head to the next animal. Next are monkeys. We've got three. A black gibbon one up here. We've got an orangutan up there, and we've got another monkey down here. Next animal now. Here we have our tiger. He has a great personality and is always looking to do tricks with his zookeepers. Let's get on to the next animal. Next we have our penguins. They're very active, and at feeding time they love jumping around in the pool. Next animal. These are Asian short-clawed otters. Oscar, stay where you are. These Asian short-clawed otters obviously come from Southeast Asia, and they are very friendly and and everyone who comes to the zoo, they are like the main attraction. So they are also my favourite animal in the zoo. Next animal. This is our aquarium. It's got lots of beautiful fish and lots of turtles. Oscar, come a bit closer. As you can see, this is the most colourful fish. It's got pink, green, and loads of rainbow on the body. And this is my favourite turtle. He's called Lenny. Now on to the next animals. Next up is our koala. He loves climbing trees. Next one. Here we have our eagles. They fly around a lot, but right now they're having their rest. On to the next animal. Second to last thing at the zoo is the rhinos and elephants. They are very clever and consent when humans are near, and they always come to the gates to have all of the fun and and they always want some people near them because they always want people watching them. Our bear chilling in his cave. He is our last animal as you come out of the zoo. Thank you for watching this zoo tour. I hope you enjoyed.